Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is my code and welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video we're gonna talk about the conditional statements. So, imagine you want to perform a different action for different conditions. So you can easily do it using the if statement. So, imagine we have a variable with an age 10 and we want to say that if your age is less than 10, then we want to print that too young. Too young. Okay, let's check that out. Yeah, because nothing in the std out because our age is 10 and we put our statement if our age is less than 10. So let's just change our age to 9 and we are gonna see too young. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so but let's get back and we can say that less than 10 or less, and only in this case we're too young. So yeah, it works and works quite good. But as you mentioned in the very beginning, we see absolutely nothing here, and well, I want to just fix it with the else statement. So if this statement is wrong, we will go to this else block, and here we want to say too old. So let's check that out. Okay, so if our age is less than 10, then we print too young, else we print too old. Works fine. Well, okay, but I don't really think that if you're 11 you're too old. So I want to say, I want to say that you're okay maybe, or you're not too old if you're less than 20 or 25 or 30, I don't know. And in this case I can use the else if statement and say that age less than 20, and in this case I want to print not too young. And yeah, I'm gonna keep my else statement with too old. Yep, so let's check that out. So okay, we are 10 years old, and if age is less than 10, yeah, that's not correct. So okay, we're going further. Else if, so if our age is less than 20, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that is correct. So our age is less than 20, and that's why we are echoing not too young to the console. And if we change it to 21 or even 20, we're gonna see, yeah, too old. So yeah, this is a basic if-else statements. So please remember that you can use only if statement, only this one, or you can use if and then else if statement, or you can use if and else statements. So yeah, this is kind of flexible, and this allows you to put your conditions in the way you really need it. So well, this is basically the if and else if conditions, and imagine you have several else if. So you want to say that less than 30, echo less than 30 or something like that, and you have too many else ifs, so 40, and well, yeah, it can be, it can overwhelm you. So PHP has another syntax for these conditions, and this syntax is switch case. So let's just see an example. So yeah, just misspelled it. Okay, so yeah, just a stupid mistake. So well, we have an age 20, and we have several cases. So first case is our age is 10, and in this case I want to echo I am 10. I am 10. Okay, yeah. So yeah, and I don't want to check other cases. So in a case we are 15, I want to just echo I am 15 and break, yeah. So, and I'm gonna have a default stuff. So in all other cases, if our if our case didn't work, any case didn't work, we will fall back to the default statement. And here I want to say a default. So okay, let's just check that out. Yeah, this is default because our age is not 10 and is not 15. Let's just change it to 10 and see what happens. I'm 10, perfect. And then I am 15. So this is the exact same thing as we want to say that age equals 10. So, and please make sure that you understand that this is just two equal signs. I talked about the difference between 2 and 3 equal signs in the previous video. So if you have no idea what this stuff is, just check my previous video on the operators. So well, yeah, this is basically the main idea of the switch case. So yeah, this is age equals 10, and this may be a very strange behavior. Let's just check that out. Okay, this is a string and I want to compare it to an integer in a switch case. And here, yeah, as you can see, I am 15, but this is a string and this is an integer. They are not exactly identical because their types are different. So make sure you got that switch case use typecasting. It tries to cast the types of variables to the one type and then compare them. So if you're a little bit confused with this, just make sure you understand the difference between these two operators. And switch uses this one. So yeah, if we talk about the switch case uses this operator. So okay, this is all for the conditional operators, and thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video about loops.